Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial we're going to go over list comprehension in Python. So list comprehension is a very easy way to do a kind of a for loop within a list and get a list without actually writing a whole full-fledged for loop. So let me just show you what I mean by that. First of all, we'll be using bpython. So if you don't know what bpython is, you can check the tutorial on bpython. Just click on the card here and it will take you to the video on bpython. So if you want to install bpython, you just have to say pip install bpython. Okay, so if you want to find more about bpython, you can watch that video that I created recently. So let's go ahead and actually get to it. So just simply open up my bpython. Just wait for it to upload here. So we have the bpython uploaded, and I'll just clear the screen. So now let's just try to create a list. So I'll just call it my list, and then this will just be an empty list, right? So we're going to add elements into the list. This is what you do normally, right? So just say for maybe I in range, we just say maybe 10. Okay, so for every element in this list range, you're going to do my list dot append. You can just do append, and then I'm going to be appending I. So just press enter, and then I'll do my list. Let me just do my list, and you can see we have all the elements there from 0 through 9. Okay, so this is how we can do a normal loop and add elements to into a list using a for loop. Okay, now let's see a simpler way that you can do this. My list, I'll just call this comp, which stands for comprehension. So list comprehension, and then you're going to do, let me just call it list comprehension, and you're going to create a list here, and then you're going to say I for I in range 10. Okay, so for I in range 10, you're going to be adding the I to that list. So just run this code, and then you go my list, my comp, and then you can see we have the same result as before. So we are doing this just to get the same result, and we can do the same thing using just one line of code instead of using 1, 2, 3 lines of code. So we can do the same thing using just one line of code. This is very efficient to use. So that's what all list comprehension is all about. So let's just get even numbers from 1 to 10. So evens will be equals to just a list. We'll use list comprehension. I for I in range, we'll do 10 because the last number is excluded. If because we want to check for even numbers, we're going to check if divided by 2 is 0. So modular divided by 2, if it's 0, we'll run the code, and then we go to evens. We got back all the even numbers from 0 to 10. So that's how we can work with list comprehension in Python. I hope this was just a short tutorial. I hope it was helpful for you, and it has really helped you to understand list comprehension in Python. If it did, kindly give this video a thumbs up and share this video with anyone that you might find this helpful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I kindly ask you to hit the subscribe button and stay informed for more videos like this. So thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.